Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by cutting power and removing the keycaps you need. First, unplug or power off the keyboard and take out batteries if it's wireless. Use a keycap puller to lift targeted caps. Don't force sticky ones. Once caps are off, blow out dust with short bursts of compressed air and wipe the plate with a microfiber cloth. If you see debris, remove it with a soft brush. This initial cleanup prevents most noise sources and sets up the deeper fixes. Now you'll tackle internal acoustics. Lubricate stabilizers with a small amount of silicone grease. This reduces rattle and keeps travel smooth. Once done, insert thin acoustic foam or shelf liner between PCB and case to dampen hollow resonance. Cut to fit and avoid contact with electronic parts. Make sure switches sit fully in their sockets. Reseat or replace any loose or cracked components. You can also swap noisy finish by reinserting keycaps and testing every key press to confirm quieter operation. Press each key slowly and quickly to hear remaining issues. Make sure travel feels consistent and stabilizers don't click. If you still hear a ping, open the case again and add a thin layer of foam or move foam placement, because placement matters. Once done, try a different stabilizer lubricant or replace a problematic stabilizer or keycap. If a single switch is noisy, isolate it, reseat it, or swap it for a new one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.